Please lang, huwag kang maniwala dun sa mga content creators na sinasabing kailangan mo ng milyon na followers para kumita ka online. Hindi yun totoo. Ang dami kong kilala na hindi milyon ng followers pero mas malaki pa yung kinikita nila kesa sa milyon yung followers. There are two types of content that you can do. First is yung tinatawag nating entertainment. Dito, kailangan mo talaga ng sobrang madaming followers at viewers. Dahil kikita ka dito through monetization ng views mo. And even brand deals kapag sobrang dami mo na talagang followers. Not bad, pero sobrang tagal para dumami yung followers mo. It will take years, not unless makachamba ka. The second type of content is yung favorite ko, which is education. This is the type of content that makes a ton of money. Bakit? Kasi you can show your passion and expertise and build trust sa community. And I'm sure narinig mo na, people buy from people that they know, like, and trust. Just like sa entertainment type of content, you can earn through monetization of views and also brand deals. Pero, ang totoong goal mo dito is to either sell your own services or sell your own physical product or even much better, sell your own digital product. Dahil sa digital product, wala ka masyadong kapital. At ang content creation, libre lang din naman. Kaya hindi mo kailangan ng milyon na followers. Kailangan mo lang ng mga tamang followers. Yung mga taong interested din sa ginagawa mo. Kaya kung saan ka magaling, yun ang gawin mong content.